Alright guys, if you're a fan of the McDonald's snack wraps, the chicken ones, this is a recipe for you. So normally I don't do cooking videos and stuff, but I love the snack wraps. I wish they didn't get rid of them. So we're going to get some great value, fully cooked chicken strips right here. You're going to cook them in the oven, 400 degrees for about 20 minutes just to heat them up. Next, we're going to get some tortillas. Whatever you want, whether it's whole wheat or just regular. I like regular. I got big ones, which you mainly want small ones. I'm going to throw that down there. And we're going to do a ranch snack wrap. So we need the ranch. Some cheese. And if you want to do honey mustard, you would just get some honey mustard dressing. But I am actually out of lettuce. So we're going to put, since these are bigger wraps, they're not going to wrap the same way. You could cut this down or get some smaller tortillas. Alright, so we got that. We're going to grab some cheese. This is just sharp cheddar cheese, is what I prefer. Throw some cheese on there. Throw some lettuce if you got it. And you can add as much chicken and ranch as you like. Add a little ranch. Then you're just gonna wrap her up. And there you have it. That's how to make a McDonald's snack wrap at the house for, let's see, cheese $2-3, ranch $2-3, chicken is about I think the bag's like $6. Tortillas are like $2 or $3, so you can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 or 10 of these for about $10. But yeah, yum.